the season, they will line up at 13th position on league table. Ebens of Akimoda. Ebens, then the fair no see I'm celebrating time at so say Kotokobeko Kodasu 13. But the problem is how coaches are being changed. So message or they are by Dean Count. Almost a some coach to do. Then it's Sebe moving and then we look at draft course interview and how should we take that serious? Yeah, draft course serious. Well, and that's why I caught baby just to spitting, just to pissing, just to create confusion.
No, I don't think so.
Because sir, I also on Michael saying and then never.
Debbie.
It came when he was here.
Yes.
Why didn't he react to it?
Jama,
why is he now telling us?
Zrasco aircon. Oko opportunity continue radio so Sakra team ni nyina so virtually he left on a good note. He left without OT lawyer and crown some more can coach mo kan ya no tiase and to be and so montem anye gidigidi anye na friction ni ho sa no gitum no call.
There's no problem.
There was no problem. Uju ojitu mu no cause adwuma no. Baby am pese mo kono baby am me kono enkoyi. But when you are there be a group dynamics. Wo adwuma mu na ye ho na aba na ompani force asemasi yeni ni mfa we mro na ni we nya adwuma ebia you might not complain if you so ebia adwuma na mo anti no mo sa changes no. Now me kai pass Michael Beko okay the famous Frimpong wedding I say I was there. No one Michael na nam what omotibom
Michael say
yes omote ho omudi omunkomoka anche ne na so se ne na so ena sa asem be tie ma me kwa me frame my gams ne broni nsumbo ne tim go nipa se ne na ne sitie wa ifo na se na won ne tia na ne ntibom na se ni 2-3 days time be ka se ontimi ne wonya adwuma na se na tia ne na ntiri nya na
come on say you didn't have any
problem with the coach so that me mama na broni ayu at least public one are you here there also cat me nipa body language I say but they were moving okay would you say nkomode kakra no akobo no mo sere no mudi omu nkomo kama so there was cordiality amongst them but any answer and as by so broni so ntimi Michael nya adwuma send obi ante now these issues because coach no so akodu ye no and akotro say room ye nsi ya mfa nansa any see room e so wunya abotre ti emane nya nwanwa say na de oba
abozo
no say okay oba who from time oba start league no o see league marathon ebi abosumi ba ko ebi kenkoye but league ni ebo no February March just September and at the end of September you see us very well you see us he said it I want the first press conference where he said league is a marathon and no okay amount for the coach so when ready for the league you know he realized look it will take time for things to take shape unfortunately baby na coach ni wo prepare team na management ni a different level management feel say you dey be league coach they say it take time league a marathon it will take time maybe beginning a very rough
the popular question ask say what targets have you set
for the coach yes
obedi
yeah
and also coach you know omne na ensem na omne na kan no like omumienu nyina atiase but see you when you set targets major stakeholders should know and be aware of the target because come with a lot of expectation. The supporters should know that. And yes, I'm there. Obi from target.
Yes.
What I say? The supporters should know. Say Manchester United team Mourinho, please be in the top 4 in your first year. Take us to Europe.
Take us to Champions League.
Sure. That's what I say.
Supporters
said this is the target set. What? But coach, no also has a room not in one day. He did not tell us that. Look, I'm here to first of all place you say be among the top 4 in our first season. In the second season, we hope to win the league. By which time, no matter see. So what I say, and to make me point, the question I'm asking is, why is he now telling us? Say, and Yemen I'm casting Michael say.
Tama, okay, we need an interview. Tama Oka say. He's playing this system because last year Kotoko conceded 29 goals. In this episode, 30 goals in this one. This will be more defenders. Kotoko answer a lot of goals. So she go in this time. We add more striker, and to him and Kakran no. Everybody picking more points, which he hopes at the end of the season. Everybody league. So when the coach's approach, it was the cautious one. This time in Kakran. And San Makwa Koji. management oh there be supporters who team oh system ne moa ye dey person G league born na say
oji coach
I'm saying that events sima every supporters ne ye coach ne dey na di at management and that's serious. No you see and I'm going events na SC no because okay shila last anko also we buy na make ka say yes me sam no man free dem onko we zo omnyom na nko kire no so adding na time we be free kotoko no woko a
and so nyesun
shila do nka say bi
oh make privately
yes
shila me ne kasa Saturday I speak to him almost every kasa kotoko bobo na go buy I mean say me call na shila ba say waka asem bi a kire na me ni ba bi am de asem no be call what I say or say until and unless that is done and among bedding but I mean who baby am go can then December boy
no so no come kaka wa ko bibia
and he thinks that problem no should be solved
oh time
and you know oh yeah na no I told you na msishila me ni baby am there fa I don't know why won kan wasem
o me kan jiro mo ya
no dey about na kaka dey mempe
well so me say Sheila dey assemble down say kokama be mo because Sheila is a good friend of Tom Kruger. Tom is
so they say he has been sacked.
Debbie, but as a good friend, say one second.
Now he has been sacked. One second. And someone see, someone Sheila is not a very good friend of mine.
Yeah.
But I mean him Sheila Heaven days where we're deeply involved to kind come back so he knows me not.
But
Debbie person who say got problem na fe be free ya.
Or say this problem should be solved.
Yes, sir.
And it's
when you
some now all canning in no is about team manager no way. He saw some there's no cooperation
within them
among the players. And it is very difficult. And what team spirit?
It's a team unity bonding players.
You see, players need be a feel say we permasem. And to him there are people causing that. And you know, so they said those people should be talked to understand the spirit of Kotokono. Kotokono, the moment the division get to remember what I say a top, a place and a management, you know.
That's a mama.
So me, a Juma BM division, Bemwa, a Juma and Koi.
But football is
serious. But with Luga and some about one thing about it. Luga Bafu front. Or baffle for now, who so the management are draining yet. The mammy who and say, look at buying or cut serious in us and because as we see careful now, one day or because the team is ready for the league. Some of us here can say to struggle in this league because of bulk purchases in my to 12 and send 8 out, so they will struggle. And look at buy or shit in us no, my team is not ready because after Abasa, Bafana Setopariaba, after Yakubu, Bafana Riaba, and these are guys I mean here on team ready. And I said this about one kind of cry. That is the gospel truth, but many to some extent say the men casa because a win. All trophies. And then now with Michael said, the first day coach in the training grounds. Coach in the catch supporters and video about life crowd on social media and I will say Michael say a solid guy or kind of and Obe rely mostly on Michael say and he's going to work with him open answer and private conversation between and Michael say me what's a Mike I'm on a man answer upon neighbor by a neighbor you know only Mike say catch and say what who is supporters in penasem into Germany in an only in a bed because it's all training grounds where Mike mom na work park and so look at actually what should Mike din we na Mike report command and son wa bem game unity FC Kotoko boy no look at any Mike it so on a brother mom all back and so and I'm a new faggle. You could say there was this cordial relationship between the two. 80 all of a sudden. I didn't see ya papa. And then someone can say, Michael is a solid man, he's a good person. One can be the main member catch and say, Michael, I hear Jumoko to come back 3 years in here into the 1 person we free hall and the corner 20. No, we back assistant coach or papa. That they are Brenner. To one of the still also management sat him down on Casa Semwi. Or we know some man additional buy or no not. Maybe no so still answer. As you good bet me about the wow. Night management assistant coach Papa Copa by an air brody. And it's an answer. Now we were meant to believe say earlier on this as some can Papa defeated your can correct. So papa no na class on per mic and nya no correct.
So papa no way.
Papa no way. Yes, and I'm taking it serious. Second one.
Says you train manager.
Second one, she last a sack, you know. Okoye no. Management by Bontin say. She last by purpose because of Luga. It is a Luga called the ya. I was she la suko. Now papa so when him she la baby ah. One recommend she la bia.
Ah papa nya na so one she la shia o Kinvesa.
Almost Kinvesa he koye dey. Koye dey.
Okobo Kinvesa.
Ah, one ni shia so one ni koye do technical team ana.
No, or any player o Kinvesa.
Who was one nim no one fan can't be as obi an go fashion am na. So now I just want to ask the management of Kotoko. Me person some one simple question. Ebi no mo ye de omo ye. Ebi no mo ye se. De omo ye no ma wure ye omo ye ni ye pam go for mo de show bi no. Omo a portion blame. Papa na nam say
coach na kasa. You have to listen to management and see whether the coach is really telling us the truth. So as I say, you mean ka say asem na coach ne kan no, taking it hook, line and sinker. Ni na and correct. For us to have this conclusion. Ibi kra no so boa.
Ebi na oboa. Wo chantro.
The reason is one. Poku. Say no kasem ene. Na say three.
Was it someone wa?
Oko gina baby. Now beka. Adena Samre in one country say, look, I've not said I don't like the guy. Maybe he's a nice guy. Then you could have even told management and say, look, guy, I mean, interaction in the few days now.
Yes, sure.
I'm convinced about him to bring him. One can you accepted it and a koya and ne. What ayi say had you split to say ayi
onya sure say coach is omonya strong ebini Luga because one na adwuma ho odene ma no and opokotoko na to the extent so who say I've been employed by guys say they meeting on my adwuma ache and so meet me ma bonten me kasa ansem we enwu omani mase so me wonya sure say bia one of the reasons why no mo pese papa de ba bonten abaye post match no we so ka ho wonya sure say bia no so betimi abam. Oh, sure. And I want you sure say no one person be kasa be expose you am. Tino man in kasa no. And I want you sure so munu say no man ko yen say amana nko dukuro bu ntama.
That could be an option.
No, mbatopa. No ko kika nsam. Wonya sure sa.
Ensam bi say.
And wo kika yi. Ensam no wo say wo kika yi. And no wo say wo yipe because ba ko a me no omo kan I was convinced. So sila dey say oh, he was brought in purposely for Luga. So ani Luga be adwuma and as a matter of fact Luga na recommend him so ni be adwuma. Yes the case say papa ne se shila na mo kan ansem no ono onim no na papa ne se ono obefa adwuma no o ka chom se what the one expert to beba afini koma ba na say they cannot afford but remember the best of assistant coaches and one is Michael say
no remember we are
no because one is Michael say that is what they told him so one is Michael say because
career interview
sure is an interview. So one is Michael say and no obi so mesad na ba be kan wa na boa omo yeah no ebe equity broni no person ko fa ba no then wa no make tell say
the initial plan no the na kamaka be wo
na obi fufu asa be kan because no be so strengthen the technical team no because they no direction bi na person ko a obe here extra hands now what one no make tell say
interview could have played it
yes anyway so what one say be tell say oh there be a say the mic ko na 20 because your youth team no nye te be say mic ko strengthen ho na Africa mic so wa che wa hadodo was stay wa have for long until be say yin free ho no be fufu ba coach so oni any answer oni asem bi obeka forward say na answer one can to so bi ampam no e no mapam no so it's important say coach ni beba and so baba yin hu anu because and some no ya do so one so don't forget say onu so ni images at stake. It is someone that you does one so and win him. I want management win him. Say that go to management but until boldly say your mama can say 20 because you who's a mic at Sewaha and the presence our bench and so MY. And so the mic you couldn't perform for a bar. Can no be some supporters who understand him. Maybe I some journalists who understand them. Oh sure. What's it? Yeah.
Coach is on no
sir men can some wo can some no na say papa bro fun che da ma ye ntino what is Frank Luto abet ma can say we asha na no
say we say come Kazaka supporters but
because
it's easier to understand
so coach is on no nya
adwuma
so coach say mintimi no nya adwuma na coach am ne na mudidi bom ko basiri bom papa yi man hu no di ko ade achi o
coach no kofa Duncan need the report one thing no
these are all lies report to be what kind of report will be that to
yeah I say Michael say
you see time
these are all lies
that famous report will be done one now you see nobody has even cited it you see
these are all lies
na sample no say obi can have Michael say he survived different management a ni nyina oba ho wana na eye na dwuma enti se because obi tro asem fo obi ho saa na da ho a a serious case wo se assistant wo ba hwini na okekansem how do you survive now yes say obi na say one say we did the technical team yeah who be a problem le wo pa but obi antimi nka e say obu nyina hu say problem no wo nipa ba ku bi so but obi antimi nka they all know but obi to be good
from the main man
to the
you know how obi to be second because no your darling boy they think so no na kekan some but they no hu so no na problem no they can sack him
one some na again
what's one some na so be everybody's talking about Brody obi a can brother asem say everybody's talking about Brody obi a can brother asem
including players
players obi everybody's talking about Brody yes they are Martinez la catch me Martinez me make na bonten so they be guys what catch me Martinez make no
okay
so he is the main problem for Kotoko because we did the playing body now he has been there for long. As a matter of fact, one more by a crab 4 years be ansana, 3 years be ansana, Mike Yede, Ebetum. And they think so no so what consistency a woman. One more coming in they are talking about Brody. Don't forget, say, in the era of Opokunti, they nearly sack him because woman is a problem be what I say, and I can confidently tell you, say, Kotoko Seme Kwabonteno. Well, it's up to them because they took him as their darling boy, and that is what the results they are getting. Yes, Sakima Kosako for competent assistant coach, Abro. That is the results, Abro. That is the results.
Yes, time I think sir, Kotoko will need a strong reaction
on
Luga's statement because
oh
yes, sir.
Time
and the point is that Munyan is a tower. That is an indictment because.
We are so dying a yabe
oh timer I say Michael say o call meeting no and a lawyer ya wo for ne Tom ka chen say broni so ntimi ne nya adwuma bi
that was there
anumere no asem necessary first issues of trust at the ho the second
your 60 seconds
yes the second issue of trust Sheila last and call no oba then abato so miensa so in the eyes of the supporters any management you make major no on be ka asem say ya we make man for the serious. They need to react. Say, look, Coach Drasko Lugarosic, as some okay, Abia Obua, Abia for that, Nini. Na say, enough, you make a do club, as will be only says Drasko Nubua, near Wumba, on the on the crowd, a coach, or family with Timua, on the cross, on Canocle.
Free PR advice.
Obianye Dinata Mongo.
No, they should ask the supporters to ignore Luga.
No more
and concentrate on.
I know. Sunday, Unza, some would that was that could be to be found reference. And they told to say, "Oh, cry, you can't say
ignore."
And I'm just
we had a relationship with him,
but you say they say remove you or hallucinate you or can't. But the point is that that could be.
I can assure you, say, okay.
What's that coming from?
Then industrial secrets.
To some extent, I agree with you, but this is the brand of the management and the Kotoko, and I will be a Kotoko management. Say,
now then, I will bet or the tunes on you be on a friend or say or your further consultations.
Not just having no more far enough for
now. Why did you agree? Why did you agree? Also I have further consultation.
I'm so of films as a
crisis management.
I didn't make out of the union.
But in short, in the Kotoko management, they should learn from their mistakes. Mistakes be from the beginning of my year. They shouldn't repeat it again.
It is a den.
Oh, mistakes and sacking, then reshuffle, baby. Say, Grammatis, some communication department, conversation, operations, and crime, I mean, no matter does
drastic decision. As that question, resident panelists, Kiki and Dennis. And they say production role no OT naje onya sorry so on my sorry to be I have a senior band today obiara takum any omombo amede buy na me boy we share Thursday 7 o'clock. Good evening.